streamer sheds tears after eating a super hot gummy bear.
What? We are going to rob this fucking store. Fuck. Ain't.
Yeah, this shit's fucking hot.
Fuck you. We're fat as shit and not enough. Horrible lighting.
I'm good, I'm good.
No water.
Yo, that shit hit. What the fuck? Yo, that shit hit automatically. What the fuck?
Making the label see. From not take it like fucking scam. Worse. That's what you earn.
What the fuck?
I hope it burns.
Ah, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Have